How to download Zoom application on your PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. Open up your web browser and then go to your web search and then search for Zoom download. Hit enter. And click on the first link you see, zoom.us. Here you'll have an option to download it on your laptop. So scroll down a bit and here you'll see an option to download for Windows. Click on download. Now it will get an you will get a installation file, so you can just go ahead and click on it and click on download. Once that is done, the installation will start complete and the installer file will be downloaded. Now just click on it and it will automatically run the setup. Now you just have to click on continue, keep tapping next. You'll have an option to choose where you want to save the application, and it will automatically start working and initialize the Zoom workspace. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.